To manage volume for different sources on Honor X7D, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find the sound and vibration, and then when we enter it we can see volume. Click on show more below to see all of the options, and first of all we have the ringtone, which you can adjust using a slider, and this will change how loud the ringtones for your calls will be. Then there's notifications, and it applies to any notification from an app, message, or whatever. It only applies to notifications. Then there's the alarms, which ring on certain times. It's just a standard alarm on your phone, and you can also change the volume for that. Then there's the music, video, and games. So if you're playing a video game, then you can adjust the volume for that game only. For videos, if you're watching videos. For music, if you're using any music player. And finally there's calls, so we can adjust the volume for voices in calls, so how loud the other person on the other side will be when you're in the call. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.